Okay, this is just a quick video on how to fix these magnetic bit holders. In this case, I'm using a Dewalt bit holder, and what happened was inside, obviously the magnet didn't go anywhere, and it still springs. It's springy, it's fine, but right inside there, you see that little portion that would hold the bit and like lock it in place. It fell off the track, I guess you would say, and then when you would, it would just, the bit wouldn't go all the way down because of that. So what I did, as you can tell, you have to use some type of a cut-off wheel or Dremel tool or whatever you want to use to cut away the top portion of the bit holder. Be careful not to cut this little springy part. Spring part. And what you would do is once you've cut this off and you see the spring in there, you would find that hole and then use some type of pick and try to force that spring back into position. Now this takes a little bit of finagling because it's kind of odd, but as you rotate it around, eventually you'll find that it'll just kind of fall into place. And then once that's in there, it seems to work just fine. I'm going to do this one-handed here. You can tell magnetic. The magnet's grabbed it and push it down, and it's in. And that bit isn't moving up. I'm pulling out on it. And then when you push down, you can see it retracts. Or actually, it would be the opposite. It pushes it out. And now it's just being held by the magnetic portion. A little bit of grease in there. I greased it. So it works fine. So that's a great way to fix these little magnetic bit holders. These can be not super expensive, but I didn't want to go out and buy a new one just because I knew the spring popped off. And like I said, I don't think it's going to hurt it. Over time, we'll see. Like mechanically, whether or not I'll have any issues. Hopefully that'll be fine. But I wanted to just make this quick video because I looked online. I didn't see any way of fixing these because they look like they're permanent attachments. I'm assuming once this sleeve is on top, I don't know that it can be removed. So this seems to work fine, and hopefully it'll last me a while. All right, thanks so much.